Hey everyone, welcome to Victor Shamaki, and today we're going to look at how to blur face in Premiere Pro. So I have these video clips of this my friend that cannot talk well and I don't want to see his face, just want to blur the face, alright? So what you want to do is to quickly search, go to an effect panel. I'm using on the option my workspace is all panel. So all of the panels will be shown here. You can see all the panels here. So I'll just select the effect panel and then I'm just going to search for Gaussian Blur. So once you search for Gauss, you will see Gaussian and then Blur. Alright? So I'm just going to drag this and drop it on the video clip. Now, once you've dropped it, you will come down to the, you go to the effect control and then you go down to Gaussian, then pick this tool. Now this create ellipse tool, just a box, it will just create a box at the center of it, so you adjust it around where your video clip is. So when you adjust it, if you want to maybe make it bigger or smaller, you hold shift and then just put your mouse cursor outside. You see, you can either draw it closer or bigger, so you adjust it to the way you want. Once you've done that, you will now come here. You see this setting, something that looks like hammer here, spinal here. So you click on it and then you select preview. Now that will make it as it is going to preview whatever it has done. So you're going to click on this track selected marks here and then click on play. So it's going to track it from beginning to the end. Now if you look at this, you see that it has done the tracking. Now you click on the tracks forward, so it's going to make progress with it. Now you see this tracking, it's going to track it bit by itself. Sometimes, so you see it's tracking now. She's tracking, can you see? It's tracking it. So all the movement that the face made is going to track it. So it's done tracking. If you check, it has tracked the face, all the motion of the face from beginning to the end. So when you use this now to blur, you'll see that it follows all the motion of how the face moves. So once it's done with it. Now at any point it fails, if it fails, you have to take it to that point and then redo it. But I guess this is okay. So now you go down and you see this blurriness. So you just draw it to where you want. Then you look at it, it's just on the where it's selected that is blurred. You can see. Let me increase it to like 44 and then let's play. So can you see? It's blur. So the second part of what I wanted to show aside, this first one we've done here, is when you have multiple clips, and my suggestion is that you use adjustment layer. Now that will allow you to work non-destructively. So I'm just going to add an adjustment layer to this clip. Alright, so just spread the adjustment layer across it and then take the Gaussian Blur and put it on the adjustment layer. Then go down and pick this, the tool we've been using, and then resize it to where I want it to be. Alright, Then once you've done that, you click on this place and you click
that tone in this house. What is wrong with you? Listen, I have registered you in a school here, so you better do well and sit up. Sit up. Remember, you're repeating a class.
Rub it in my face.
So it's done. So you see, we walk through it and see what it has done. Alright, so once that is done like that, we bring it back to the beginning and then we click on track selected marks layer forward. So this will take it, track it from beginning again to the end, and then once it's done tracking, we will now explain some other things we needed to do. So it has finished, so let's look at it. So you see, it tracks well, but you see now we have another clip by the side. So by the time it reaches, you see it tracks, then it comes down. Now when the other part of the clip will just be one side of it. So how to remedy this problem is, first we are going to, I try adding another adjustment layer, it just make this disappear. So I would suggest what you first do is that you come and blow it first. Yes, just do the blowing to how you want it. Alright, just do the blowing how you to where you want it. You can see that here has been blown, right? You can see it has been blown. So since that has been done, now we've done our blow. We'll do that, alright? So let's leave it the way we have. Then we'll add another, which you can see that this one is still showing, isn't it? So we add another one. So we just go, because this is what we wanted, is just this angle, so we could just remove this to where to this place. So we just remove it.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen.
So if you look at it, you will see that from here,
that tone in this house.
See,
what
here
is wrong with you?
Not blur, right?
Listen.
Then here is back to blur.
Listen, I have registered you in a school here.
Back to blur.
So you better do well and sit up.
Because that is where we're looking at. So you see now, this side is not where we're looking at. We cut again.
Sit up.
Then we can quickly remove every other thing here, right? Then we put this here. Put this from here to here. Then we add that, so you can, we're going to now repeat that same process. You can see that it's where we don't need it, it's not there, but when you put it directly on the clip, you have no choice than to just, anywhere that it tracks to, you have to blow it. So even though that this tracking has moved outside compared to where it was here, you can see that it has moved a bit one side and all of that. So this, I think this is the best way of blowing a face. You know, don't mind the way I do the thing too much, but just to give you an overview of what you can really do with it and how you can actually do what you want to do. So I believe this has helped you in one way or the other. Please consider to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and do well to stay tuned for more updates from us. this is still in continuation of the 120 days video per day. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.